Hiya, I'm Mark Bradley from tallguymarketing.com and welcome to my Stuff Your Bank review. So this is being released tomorrow, 23rd of January, by Tom E and Jamie Lewis. So they've released quite a few products in the past. You've probably heard of both of them, but certainly you'll have heard of Jamie Lewis. So effectively it's a course all about selling domains. Now, some of you probably not have sold domains before, and it's pretty easy to do. And this is a great course that explains everything. Not only that, Jamie has found all the domains for you. You don't have to jump through all the hoops to search for domains and know which ones are going to sell. Jamie has done all the hard work for you, all the footwork. There's nothing left for you to do apart from to buy the domain and then flip it. Okay, so that's the beauty of this. You don't need to have a blog. You don't need to build a YouTube channel. None of that stuff. All you do is register the domain and then flip it. It sounds simple and when I say it like that, but it is pretty easy. But I mean, you do need to do a wee bit of work, like everything. There is some work to be done, but it really is. It's one of the more simple ways of making money, and I have in the past flipped domains before. Off the top of my head, one of them about 2 years ago, I flipped it, and I made, I think it was about $30. Okay, not a huge amount, but that was profit just for buying something, registering it, and then immediately flipping it again. I think, and the other one, I can't remember, it was just over $50. So that's, like $80 for two domains that I picked up through, well, I used Namecheap. And with a coupon, I think I bought them both for certainly less than $10, $7 or $8, I can't quite remember. So that's quite a big profit, that's a $60, $70 profit for really doing not much. As I say, that's the beauty of this course, that everything is pretty much done for you. All the domains Jamie has found, and it's just a case of you registering them and flipping them. And everything's shown. I'll show you. I've got review access, so we'll have a wee look at that. I'll kind of show you how it works. All the videos are really helpful, self-explanatory, and if you want to make a few kind of, I'm going to say easy dollars, because it is a lot easier than, for example, putting up a blog and writing articles or putting up a YouTube channel, making videos. This is a pretty easy way to go about things. So with that said, let's jump into the Stuff Your Bank sales page. So go there. Okay, so it's not actually live yet. As I say, it goes live tomorrow. So this video is unavailable. If you follow Tom on Facebook, you will be able to see, like, some of his students, the amount of money they made. I mean, some of these guys have made hundreds of dollars on flipping domains. I'm not going to make any promises. Okay, I will not promise that you're going to make X amount of money from this course, because that would be unfair of me. A lot of people buy this and won't do anything with it, so there's going to be a lot of domains available for people to flip. But as I say, I'm not going to say, yeah, you'll make X amount of dollars with this, but people have, following this training, and you'll see when the video is live tomorrow, you will see examples of people that have followed Tom and Jamie's training and have made, I'm telling you right now, like hundreds, quite a few $100s with some of these domains that we flipped. Honestly, it ain't particularly difficult. Okay, so I think early bird it's going to be less than $17.77. I'm not sure what price the cart will open at, but if you get in at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time, then you've got the good chance of getting at its lowest price. So again, quite a nice sales page, quite well set out, and gives you everything you need to know about any sales page, any good sales page. So there's Jamie there. Nice jacket, I like that jacket, it's very cool. And he's a pretty cool guy, Jamie. I like Jamie. Promoted a few of his products in the past. So, everyone's here. Jamie's got your back. He is a decent guy. There's support access in the members area, which, as I say, I will show you. And him and his team are, very responsive. If you've got any problems, you just hit them up, and usually you'll get a reply within 24 hours. So there you go. He personally has made $400,000 from this particular method that he is teaching. Yeah. And again, I'm not going to say you're not going to make 400 grand in your first, few weeks, months, whatever. I mean, you need to be realistic, but I guarantee if you follow this training, you will make money. How much you make is up to you. If you don't do anything with this, if you buy it, pick it up, and just have it sitting in your hard drive, look through it once and think, yeah, that's great, I'll get into that someday, you're not going to make anything. If you actually buy it, follow the training and take action, there's a good chance that you will make some money. So okay, right. So as I say, you can look through this sales page on your own. I think it's the early bird. I think it's less than $17. I'm not absolutely sure. And it's a membership area with videos, and all the domains that you can buy are in there. So say Jamie's done all the legwork for you. There's Jamie and Tom. Tom's a really cool guy. I love Tom. I think he's just an awesome guy. He's really on my wavelength. Really, really nice guy, Tom McTing. Really nice guy. And yeah, it comes with a 30-day money back guarantee, no questions asked. So you're covered. Please, I'll say this to you because a lot of people do, buy products and then they know full well before they buy them they're going to refund them. Don't do that. That's a shitty thing to do. If you're going to buy it, use it. And if it doesn't work for you for whatever reason, then fair enough. That's you are, as I say, covered by a money back guarantee. But don't just think, yeah, I'll buy it and refund it, because that ain't fair. Okay, that's all your questions and answers. Okay, so let me take in. I've got bonuses for this, so I'm going to show you them. Just realised the screen ain't quite. I don't know what I've done here. I don't know why that's so. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I've not used, this is a new version of Screencast-O-Matic, so maybe it's something to do with that, I'm not sure. See, these are the bonuses I've got for you. So if you buy it through my link, see down there below, just in the top of the YouTube description there, if you click through that link, you go to the sales page, which I just showed you. Have a read through there. As I say, the video will be up tomorrow. You can see all the claims that have been made. If you want to buy it, please buy it through my link by clicking on the button on the sales page. You'll go through to Warrior Plus checkout, and you'll see all my bonuses on the other side where you download StuffYourBank. You'll see below that there's a download button for all these bonuses that I'm just about to show you. Don't worry if you miss it, because you can always go back into your Warrior account and click on your purchases and you can still pick it up. Okay, they are kind of time limited, but don't worry too much about it. If you don't get in time, you can hit me up at tallguymarketing.com. Just send me an email and I'll sort you out if you miss them. But there will be plenty of time to get it, believe me. Okay, so you would just so say, go down there, have a look, and you'll get all these bonuses when you click through. Okay, so first bonus I'm going to give you is YouTube Supremacy. This was a course released by Chris Derenberger and Robin Palmer, and it's a brilliant course all about YouTube, setting up a YouTube channel and promoting affiliate offers with YouTube videos. And both of them, Chris and Robin, consistently, they're usually #1 with all the kind of review videos. They really know what they're doing. It's a brilliant course. It's still on sale. I don't know, maybe about $20, maybe less than that, I'm not sure. But I'm going to give you it for nothing. I'm going to give you it for free if you pick up Stuff Your Bank through my link. Okay. Bonus number 2 is a sneaky way of using product reviews on YouTube. Okay, I'm not going to tell you any more about that because I don't want to kind of reveal the methods, but it's a great way of getting your reviews to the top on YouTube. Okay. Incidentally, these are all, some people might be kind of promote or might be giving away YouTube supremacy, I'm not sure. But these other ones you'll only get through this bonus page. I think I'll be the only one doing these. Well, in fact, I will be. Bonus number 3 is how to make your microphone sound like a podcast with free software. A lot of people's microphones are not great and they don't kind of pick up properly. If you ever heard a podcast, the clarity of the sound is crystal clear, and this is a free method to make your microphone sound like a podcast. Bonus number 4 is 0 to 124 hours. Again, this is a course that is still on sale. Yeah, I don't know the price. You need to check all these out in Warrior Plus. But again, it's a complete soup to nuts course on internet marketing. Give you a heads up, you ain't going to make $100 in 24 hours unless you're really smart. It is going to take you some time, but hey ho. It's yours free. And bonus number 5 is how to use Quora for traffic. Quora is a kind of question and answer site. It gets a lot of love. A lot of people loves it, and they tend to be ranked really high, get great backlinks. Again, a lot of people don't use it or don't know how to use it, but I will show you in this video how to use Quora to get free traffic to your offers. Okay, so that's all the bonuses I have. So as I say, you can through to the bonus page, click on here and you'll go through to the sales page, or if you click on that YouTube link down there, you go straight through to the sales page and you can pick it up there. As I say, you get all these bonuses. So quick run through for the front end and the one-time offers. So front end, yeah, it's $17 I think it's starting at, and it really is value for money. First one-time offer is 10 times profit accelerator, which is 97, a downsell of 67. So yeah, it's basically giving you more options effectively to get unlimited searches. Okay, one-time offer 2 is Jamie's kind of help, personal help. So $39 with the downsell of $27. So it's all the sales copy, sales listings, copywriting, all done for you if you're going to sell a domain. One-time offer 3, Stuff Your Bank High Roller Club, $97 with $37 downsell. So you can kind of basically promote profit from your domains before you sell them. I'll let you look through all these. I mean, I don't know. I've not looked through them. I don't have access to all the one-time offers. I was very kindly given access to the back end, to the front end. One-time offer 4, partner with Jamie, $197, downsell $67. That's lifetime access to Jamie's weekly live training. So it's kind of like having personal coaching, so almost like having a personal session with Jamie every week. So that might be worth thinking about. To say I haven't seen them, I haven't got access to them, so I'm absolutely sure. One-time offer 5, Stuff Your Bank Entrepreneur League. So $67, $27 downside. Okay, so and you're going to receive 6 more income streams. Okay, right. So those are all my bonuses. So as I say, nobody else will be offering these. They're exclusive bonuses, and they may not be particularly congruent with domaining, but they'll certainly help you out in other ways. So, something to think about. Okay, let's quickly jump into the members area. I'll show you here. So this is Jamie here. This is the welcome video. A wee video down here, the explainer video. And I can't show you this bit because this is where all the domains are that Jamie has found that you would register and sell on for a profit. So obviously I can't take you into that to show you that. There's support. Support's really good. You just kind of hit them up and we'll get back to you. There's video tutorials in here as well. Okay, so I think there's 10, 2, 4, 6, 7 videos. They're less than 20 minutes each. It's like 15, 10, 6, 9. Right, but it shows you everything you need to know. Everything you need to know, everything you need to make a profit is in here. Okay, all these videos, as I say, all the kind of domains. This is where all the gold is, okay, in this section here, but I can't obviously take you into that to show you the all the different domains. So it's pretty straightforward. I mean, everyone's explained in the video tutorials. Shows you what to do. You're effectively just buying a domain, registering it, and then flipping it for profit. Okay, there's nothing difficult about it. As I say, there's no website to build, no YouTube channel to build, no videos to make. You don't need to run around looking for content, making up content and getting that out. It's a pretty easy way to make money online. If you've never made money online before, then this is definitely for you because it's very, very straightforward. So anyway, I think that's all I've got for you, gang. This is going live, as I say, tomorrow, 11 AM, 23rd of June. So yeah, by all means jump on this because it's a great course. It's a really, really good course, and I think if you're determined enough and you actually go through it and take action on it, you will make money. Absolutely. As I say, I'm not going to promise you that you're going to make thousands of dollars or whatever. That's up to you. Only if you take action, follow it through, I'm sure you will make money. I've made money doing it before, and I didn't have a brilliant course like this to do it. Plenty of people have made money from domains. You'll see that all over the internet marketing world. So, okay, so that's all I've got for you, gang. Please, I say, hit that link down there below to pick this up, get all my bonuses. Please, I would really appreciate it if you left me a comment or you subscribed, hit that bell, give me a like, interact with me. If you've got any questions, I'll do my best to help you out. So just do that, please, down below. I'm a real guy. I like helping people out. I'll answer any questions you have. And yeah. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my Stuff Your Bank review, and take care, and I will catch up with you all soon. Okay, cheers.